did you do?
She flew it into the tree.
Just clipped the tree. I was going to look at the bees. No, Steve, I mean, it wouldn't be me if I didn't
Have a crash. Yeah.
Goodness sake.
Yeah. So this is what happens, Brandon. We're all late. We all get lost.
It's a survivor.
And Elaine always crashes.
Brandon.
Yep, nice to meet you, sir.
Cherry.
Nice to meet you, too. Thank you.
So now we just got to wait for Steve
Elaine.
Nice to
and
meet you.
Robbie.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
You lost it.
Yeah.
There it is. Is that it right over there?
Oh no! She's crashed it.
Is it bad?
I think it's just folded up its arm for you.
He just clipped the end.
Yeah. It's alright now. I've got it on camera.
Oh, yeah.
Close drone food time.
Yeah?
I know, that's just a really weight. I've never had kimchi before.
No.
I like it.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it a lot. Yeah. Kimchi is pickled cabbage